Looking to upgrade your motorcycle mirrors without the hassle of mismatched parts or shaky mounts? The Kuryakyn 1891 handlebar mirror adapter offers a straightforward solution that guarantees a secure fit and a polished, factory-quality look. Whether you're swapping out stock mirrors or installing Kuryakyn's premium options, this adapter removes the guesswork and keeps your cockpit clean and stylish. I've seen firsthand how this adapter transforms the mirror setup on various bikes. It's engineered to accept any mirror with a tapped 5/16 inch by 18 hole, bridging the gap between traditional mirror threading and modern handlebar mounts. The black finish isn't just durable, it blends perfectly with black handlebars and mirrors, avoiding that awkward chrome or stainless steel mismatch. Once installed, it looks like it was meant to be there from the start, not an afterthought slapped on last minute. The kit comes complete with black 5/16-18 to M10-1, 25 mirror adapters and chrome M10-1, 25 jam nuts, ensuring your mirrors lock down tight. Installation is simple using common hand tools like hex wrenches and combination wrenches, making it accessible for both weekend mechanics and pros. The result? Mirrors that hold steady with zero vibration, whether you're cruising through city streets or hitting the open road for long tours. What sets this adapter apart is its compatibility. Made by Kuryakyn, it fits a wide range of motorcycles including Honda, Indian, Kawasaki, Suzuki, Victory, and specific Indian models from 2014 to 2019. Riders with Indian Chieftain, Classic, Elite, Roadmaster, Springfield, and Vantage models will find it works seamlessly with Bon, Scythe, or Teardrop mirrors. Some mirror styles might need an extra adapter, but the core fit is solid and reliable. Many riders have shared how the Kuryakyn 1891 adapter delivers a perfect fit, especially when replacing older silver or stainless adapters with this sleek black option. Bikes like the 2014 Victory Hammer benefit from a cleaner, more integrated look that complements the overall design. If you want your mirror upgrade to not only perform flawlessly but also enhance your bike's style, this adapter is worth a look. If that's you, someone who values a clean cockpit, reliable performance, and a refined finish, check the product link in the video description to see availability and current pricing. It's a small upgrade that makes a big difference in both function and appearance. Try it when you're ready to take your motorcycle's mirror setup to the next level.